welcome back again to your great channel, your number one channel, and we are here with your great professor, that's Latif. Today we are here to see how these people manage their kids to prevent them from the mortality. So stay tuned with me as I take you around how they manage their kids.
The livestock depends on number, and you can only increase your number by the kids. There are several ways to improve into your lambing season. Some of the ways by which you can improve in the lambing season are: 1. You choosing the best season for the sheep to give birth, and you can control this through the natural synchronization, where you know the exact period by which you introduce in the male to your flocks for mating. With this, you will know the exact month or period your lambing season begins. When they start giving birth or when they start producing, you need to be very careful on how to handle the kids. The best shelter for the kids is keeping them at a dry and warm place to prevent insects and other tiny animals from attacking the kids. The kids are very young, and a lot of insects may try to attack them as predators because the kids have fresh blood. So the place of keeping the kids is very important, and make sure it's very clean and tidy. Make the mothers available to breastfeed the kids always. Hope you've learned something in this video and would put it into practice. Like, share our video to reach to other people who may be interested in farming. And always remember that STD Farm, we are the best.